Both of my clients are successful entrepreneurs who each needed their own private home office. So we needed to carve out 2 separate spaces for them. For him, we found an underutilized breakfast area, and at first he was a bit skeptical, but now he really loves the space. And for her, we found an also underutilized space, which was the master sitting area off the master bedroom, which is now her perfect home office and her haven.
I spend a lot of time in my office. When the kids are out of the house, that's where I go to get my work done, to read a book, catch up on my magazines.
Here we are in the lady of the house's home office. One of the things about a home office that's so important is it has to be a place where you want to be.
I love that room. It makes me feel very calm. I feel very productive, and it's very peaceful.
We've got fabulous wood tones, a really comfortable seat, natural light coming in and fantastic views. Some of the things you want to have in a home office are a quiet, secluded space so that you can get work done, but it's also nice to be able to look out and know you're not missing anything. But I think perhaps my favorite piece of this room is the chandelier. It's got such great style and it comes in at a really reasonable price. In the husband's home office, which used to be the underutilized breakfast room, we have a lot of natural lighting, but he likes to work at night. And the 2 things that he really wanted in this space were comfortable seating and a centerpiece chandelier. I really love the rusticated wood on the ceiling, and we decided to keep it, but contrast it with stark white walls. You'll never believe this, but this room used to have floral wall cover. The complementary circles of the chandelier and the ceiling work so well together. The chandelier illuminates the space well into the evening, and he just loves it.